Hey guys, what we're looking at there, yeah, somebody just confirmed it to me that we're actually getting the second eruption. So that's what we're looking at there. That's the ash. Yeah, the cloud.
The cloud has been
Well,
so destroyed.
that's building up there. So there is more ashes
Boy,
to look
ash,
forward to.
Ash! Ash! Ash!
This is the rest of Kingston and its surrounding. We have the Serenade of the Seas, and I think it's there in the event that persons need to evacuate, and there are two other ships docked out Camden Park, Kittels area. In the distance, on a lovely day, we would see Beckway clearly, but we see there's a ferry heading down there. So for now, my focus is going to be on this latest development. Just check it out, guys. La Soufriere, the 9th of April 2021, the Friday after Good Friday. The 1979 eruption took place on a Good Friday, which was in April as well. Yeah, so it's amazing. Hey, sweetie.
Something from here.
Yeah, that's mine. So just look at that. Quite amazing.
Oh, put your phone over here.
Yeah. Look at that. It's climbing higher and higher.
I can see the boat.
Wow.
Look there, broom, broom. Broom.
It's being hugged by the clouds.
Look, look, look. Look, the
Oh,
ash
just look
cloud.
at that.